y'all, let's find out today. Does this thing really work?
First, I want to give you guys a little bit of backstory about why I'm so excited about this product we're going to be reviewing today. This is Command Central. This is where I sit in the living room next to the couch with all of my balls of yarn and I make my granny squares. I have them set up like this because then I have all of my strands and I can just flip between strands and change my colors without searching for balls. It's actually a mess. So while always on the lookout for an answer to this conundrum here, I found this awesome basket in the Buy Nothing group on Facebook, hoping everything would fit, and it doesn't. So that leads us up to our video today. If I'm working with one color for a while, my hand wound balls and my little bowl, they're fine. They're absolutely fine. But when I'm changing colors all the time and I've got everything in one container so I can just pull strings, I can't have, 15 of these all around to pull from. So that's why I think this for my granny square journey, I really need to cake them and have center pulls. And I think it's, well, let's find out. Okay. So here we go. I ordered this off of Amazon on the 9th of November and I got it on the 14th. Pretty quick. $18.88. Of all of the ones that I was kind of looking at, this one got the better reviews, with a ding on no instructions. So let's find out, shall we? This is the YaeTek brand, and it's sold by Longtime Trading on Amazon, and I will leave a link to this in the description if it's something that you're interested in after watching this video. Okay, so here it is. One review even said that they wound a 7-ounce ball, if you take your time. I'm really excited about that. Look! Oh! Instructions! Yay! Okay. Just put that off to the side. Okay. What you got going on, sis? What you got going on? Waiting on cooks. Alright, well, I mean, pretty self-explanatory. Crank it onto your tabletop. Pretty sure. Oh, you know what? I love to try it without instructions first. I do. I am ridiculous that way. This, yes, it does lock in, but it's particular, it appears. So, see where the fittings goes in, and then there's little arrows on here to show you how to turn it to lock it into place. They don't fit. There it goes. Ooh, that's a stiff. That's stiff. But that's okay, because we know it'll stay in there. And I don't need to take it apart. I can store it in my yarn drawer. So, that was a little, I break things. So I was a little afraid to force it, but it's on there. It's good and sturdy. And we are going to yeah, I mean, it's just pretty straightforward. So now we have to clamp it onto the side of my desk. Here we go. Adjustable here. And a little wobbly. Okay, there we go. So I've got it on here. I'm going to tighten up the screw. I'm gonna make it good and tight, just in case I get just a little fanatical about what I'm doing. We've got that on there. And then thread the yarn through the arm wire and then tightly into the cleft in the bobbin. Be sure the yarn does not slip. Begin turning the crank on the ball winder clockwise to start winding. So this picture doesn't show me where the crank arm is, but so we're going to, from where I'm sitting, it appears that it would be here. No. It would be here. Yeah, okay, see the shape of the base? Oh, wait. See the shape of the base? How it comes out? So it is at the end of that base, which for this one, the wider end is here, and the smaller end is here. So I'm going to say that it goes directly out from the crank side. All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited, I'm excited. Just to keep her stable. I'm not gonna crank really, really fast because the review said that would cause a... If I set it here, you can't. Let me push my... There we go. So you can see the ball. And then we go through here. And then in these little, to hold it in place. So this will give you your tail, so you can pull from the center of the cake, right? And then to turn clockwise. Looky there. Here we go, kids. Let's see. All right. So this isn't going to work. I'm going to have to unwind it. This is too tight. We'll speed this up. Time. 2 minutes, 51 seconds. This is Big Twist value, and it is a 6-ounce ball with about 380 yards. So obviously it was used, so it wasn't the full 6-ounce ball, and we still have room. So let's just see how big of a ball this is. Okay. Here we go. We'll see how easy it is to remove. Look at that. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. And this is a 3-ounce ball. So it was about half a skein. Okay. Let's try another one, shall we? See, this is what happens. I rarely ever get a middle pull out of my skeins, never, and I just tumble balls everywhere. So we're gonna do this is, yeah, this is my attempt at my dad can do this by hand, and he showed me, and I still all right, here we go. We're gonna do this again. Let me find the end. See what I mean? Okay. All right, start the clock.
This is how I crochet. I pull out, look, I just pull out big long links, and then I crochet till it's gone, and then I work through another big link. Ah! "22 minutes. My God. All right, let's see. We did have a little blip, but honestly, for all the starting and stopping, and I wasn't keeping a good tension, I'm not mad about that. This is 2.4 ounce. Here we are, an hour and a half-ish later, and I have a total of 15 cakes. This one is my biggest, 5.5 ounces. I will say that as you hit about 4 ounces, you can feel the slightest bit of tension in your crank handle, but it's still very fluid. So I'm almost a 6 ounce skein right here in a cake, and these are so very aesthetically pleasing to me. And here's my basket that I showed you earlier that I got from Buy Nothing, and I will leave a link to Buy Nothing's main website, and you can see if you have a Buy Nothing group in your area that you can join. It's a lot of fun finding neat little treasures like this. So now let's see if they all fit. Perfect. Perfect. I am 100% happy with this little ball winder. It's going to store perfectly in my yarn drawer with my other yarns, and it cakes these up gorgeous to where they all fit perfectly inside my new little free basket. It's rated for 4 ounce. I got up to 5.5 ounce. I took my time. I did these 15 skeins in the 2 that I demonstrated, or just the ones that I demonstrated with you, and then another hour and a half-ish on top of that. 18 bucks. Best 18 bucks I've spent in a long, long time. Not kidding. Yes. So if you like these kind of videos, if you like these kind of videos, these product description, product demonstration type videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure I put these in a playlist so they're easier for you to find. My channel is loaded with all kinds of content. We've got a tie-dye and jewelry making, spirituality and cooking, and now we're going to be having some yarn crafts because I got some ideas and I'm going to share them with you. So remember, be peaceful and be kind. It's important. I'll talk to you soon. Oh my gosh. Now, off to more granny squares. Oh, hey. No. Oh, I lost my center pole. All of that. All of that. Are you kidding me? No. So, when you... Okay, safety tip. When you take these big 5-ounce balls off the winder, make sure that you pull your center pull up as you pull. Because now I'm in the same boat. It's in there somewhere and I gotta fish it out. For heaven's sake. I'm gonna have to rewind this whole ball.